Today we are going to teach you how to jump your vehicle using jumper cables. Get a decent pair of jumper cables. If you get cheap jumper cables, it's going to be hard to jump your car because these wires are too thin to let the electricity get through. So buy a decent pair of jumper cables.
Nice.
Anyway, so you're going to come up to your vehicle. Red's going to obviously go to red, the black's going to go to black. Before you connect these, make sure the opposite end is not touching each other, otherwise they're going to spark. We don't want that. So let's come on over here, put our ground to our ground, go to your positive, Some cars, there'll be a post on the side. This will be covered. If it's covered, you'll have to take your box off with maybe a wrench or something. The ones that are covered, I just keep the tops off because you never know when you might have a dead battery and then you can't get the top off to even get your battery. So simple assignment. Put them up. We're gonna come over here, get these two. Gonna find the same thing over here. Positive is gonna be your red, negative is gonna be your black. Your black on black. Get the positive on there first. Get your ground on the next one. Now make sure you start the vehicle. Make sure the one vehicle is running. Let it charge for a little bit, a good 10 minutes or so. 5 minutes or whatnot. Then you try to crank your engine over. It should turn over. And that's how you do that. Don't, if it starts to overheat or it doesn't want to crank, just stop and give it some time to charge. If it doesn't charge within a half an hour, you probably got bigger problems. So that will be in another video, but there you go. There's a basic way how to jump your vehicle when you need to jump. Red goes to positive, black goes to negative on both vehicles. All right, like, subscribe, make sure you put a comment at the bottom. Let us know what you think. Make sure you follow us. And leave, make sure you get on the notifications so you can get the next video we got coming. All right, we'll talk to you in the next one. We're out of here.
Peace.